Okay, this will be my final attempt to show you the whole entire dance in one video. Hopefully this works out. Alright, so this is the right. When I'm facing you, this is the right. This hand right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off facing the right. Face the right. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, side, head, forward. Left, right, head, back. Okay. Head, windmill, and hitch kick. So again with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So after you hitch kick, you're facing left, right foot stepping back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick with your right. 6, 7, 8. Okay? So left, face right, together, kick, down, and you're laid back. Okay, so 6, 7, where am I? 6, 7, 8. And then from laying back, you're going to windmill facing backwards. So your head is going from the right to the left, and you're up. Okay? And then it's from here, you're going to go look left hand, right hand. Both your hands are facing down. And then the next one, your hands face up. And right goes up and hip. Okay, so round, head, boom, hand, boom, pop, pop. Then you're going to shake it, or as I say, wiggle to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're back to facing front. Remember, you're turning right. A lot of stuff I do is to the right because I'm not left-handed. Okay? So, we just did you wish new phone, who's this? Patty, pat, pat, sugar, gum, gum, gum. I'm sorry, it's only 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, who this? Patty, pat, pat, sugar, gum, gum, gum. Mommy, yes, barf when you pop that tongue. Okay? Yes, don't judge me. Okay. Now we're going to do a pas de bourrée. For those who have no dance experience, that is a box. We're making a box. Okay? So you're here. 7, 8, right? You're going to take your right foot, cross over your left. Right, left, right, left. So you should have stepped in all 4 corners. Top corner. Hold on. You're in the middle. So corner, 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 corner. Okay? The ground is getting hot. Please excuse me. Un momento. Okay. So let's start from the windmill. Here, you wish new phone, who this? Patty, pat, pat, sugar, gum, gum, gum. Mommy, yes, barf when you pop that tongue. This whole club is my runway run. Right? And each of you will be given a count. Either 1, 2, 3, or 4, or you will strike a pose. And it doesn't matter what your pose is. Just make sure from that pose you can be here. So, if this is my pose, right, or if this is my pose, let's practice it, okay? So, mommy, yes, Barb, when you pop that tongue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And then you're gonna go, girl, what did that girl just say, girl? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And that's a ball change. 7, 8. All right. So, girl, what is that? And this is your right hand. Girl, look to the left, to the right. Then, girl, I don't dance, I work. So that is a quick little spin right where you are. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do it on this graph. Again, 1, 2, turn to the right. And you're here on 4. Okay. So, 4. Ooh. And then it's, because it's, I don't dance, I work. Work. I don't play, I slay. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're walking to a new position. But because you're in your living room, in your bedroom, in a classroom where we can't really move around, you're going to pace for that. Okay? So, I don't dance, I work. Oh, sorry. I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. And then we're going to stop. Then it's I don't walk, I strut, strut, strut. So how you would curl for dumbbells, it's kind of how you're going to move your hands. I don't walk, I strut, strut, strut. And I pace crossing my knees because you're going to strut. You're going to strut, strut, strut. Okay? That means your feet are crossing. Lost my shoe. That's why you don't dance in flip-flops. You're going to cross your feet when you walk. And it's 4 steps. Okay? Actually, it's 3 steps. 3 steps. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. And that's like a skip. So from back here, you see how I just kind of skipped there? So the whole thing is I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. It's just a quick little hop to your place. Boom, boom. Right hand in front, left hand to the side. Sashay. Okay. So let's take it from the very top, because I don't want you to forget what we first learned. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hitch, kick, push. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Box. 3, 4. Good. Sorry, I stopped you. I did say we were going to go to the end. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we're on to the last little bit. That wasn't a bad run through. We're on to the last little bit. Okay. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are facing the front. So right hand, left hand, both out. Pause. Roll your butt back. And don't act like you don't know how to do it. I know you have a TikTok and I know you dance. Okay? So, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't, sorry. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. Okay, so now we're on to the last little bit. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's real quick. Make it rain on me. So, if you want to Beyonce that sucker and put some jazz fingers on it, you most certainly can. Okay, so make it rain on me. And I might, okay, and I might let you see. Okay, so I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. And then it's what you gonna let them see. And it's very fast. What you gonna let them see. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Alright? And then you're gonna swing your head backwards, like you lean back a bit. Let me turn to the side. Lean back a bit. You're going to swerve to the left, swerve to the right. Okay? So, what you going to let them see, swerve to the left, swerve to the right. Left, right. And the words that go to that are nails, hair, hips, heels. Nails, hair, hips, heels. And then one more, nails, hair, hips, heels. And then it's nails, hair, hips, heels. Okay? So, nails, hair, hips, heels. Nails, hair, hips, heels. Nails, hair, hips, heels. Oh, I left one off. So, 3 head swings. 3 patterns of head swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you gonna let them see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're walking off because the next group is walking on. So if you want to be further prepared, just in case you end up in that B set, you might want to practice this again. It can flow right into the next verse. Okay? So all together, from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. I'm tired. All right, 7, 8. Then it's, oh, I need the music. Give me a second. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because all I do is strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels. Nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. Alright, so I did post a recording with the music. I wanted you guys to have one with the counts. And if you ever need me, I am on the 6th grade hall. My classroom is 36. You can leave a sticky note if I'm not in there. Or you can also message me through the Google Classroom. You can leave a comment attached to the video. Alright. Good luck, Cougars.